Alright, hello and welcome to this video. Today we have a very special guest to the channel. It's the brother. It's my brother. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Hello, I'm Andy, aka Andrew. Trail name to be determined. Not sure what it'll be yet, but we'll see at the end of this hike up to Montaña de Guaza. I've got my hiking sandals on.
I thought you were wearing. Are you seriously hiking in those?
No, I'm not. So yeah, can't wait to climb this arduous mountain, summit it, and put the O'Briens onto a flag at the top of this very difficult mountain. I'm not sure if we'll make it, not sure if we'll survive, but tune in to discover that as we go along this
Stay tuned.
This hike.
Well, do you want to tell them what country we're in?
We're in Tenerife,
which is the Canary Islands, which is sort of off the coast of Africa. The closest bit in Africa is the Sahara Desert, so it's pretty toasty, but as you can tell it's a little bit cloudy today, which is a perfect day for the hike. Any last words?
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the YouTube channel. What is it, Ashley?
Ashley O'Brien Outdoors.
Ashley O'Brien Outdoors. My YouTube channel doesn't exist, so you can't subscribe to that.
Yet.
But,
he'll be making one. It's going to go to his head after this. He's going to make one, and then you'll all jump over to his channel.
If you'd like me to create a YouTube channel, comment below, and the best I can do is give you my Instagram, which you might get at some point.
Well, I'll post your Instagram. But what would your YouTube channel be?
Certainly isn't going to be an outdoors one. So I've stepped out the door. My heart rate is currently 97, which is a good sign. And we're about to start. 3, 2, 1, off we go.
97, started the trail now. You can see here where we're going to go up here. There's Andrew stepping on his first mountain trail. Here we go.
One small step for man, a giant leap for Andrew kind. You have to cut that out. Tenerifian cacti that is native to this mountain. It's very spiky, quite green, and they're everywhere.
The new David Attenborough, everyone. You've seen him here first. The top is inside. The top is inside. There he is, top of the mountain.
Made it. Wee buns.
Wee buns.
Wee buns.
Was it good?
Yeah, it was very good.
Nice wee jaunt.
It's the dander on a Tuesday morning.
This is our radio towers. Here we are, triumphantly descending from the top of the mountain. Here is Andrew, yet to be trail named.
Comment below if you can think of a good trail name for me. But we successfully summited Mountain Wee Buns. It was pretty good going, not too tough. So yeah, maybe you'll see me on the PCT sometime soon.
You should.
No, you definitely won't.
Well, we have to explain to our non-Northern Irish viewers that wee buns means it's easy. That's what wee buns means. Or if it's hard, it's big buns. But this was wee buns.
Wee buns.
Wee buns. Wee buns.
You'll break. Slip and break back on the way down.
Why was it all you can drink? Video?
Yeah, but I'm gonna have this drunk by the
No,
time you
what
do.
video now?
No.
Alright, signing off for our trek up the mountain. Do you have any words? Rehydrating. Wee buns.
Easy peasy
Rehydrating.
lemon squeezy.
Here's the
Just the stragglers.
dad.
Yes.
Here's the mum. They came
easy.
for the rehydration station.
We were trail magic.
True magic. Cheers.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Ash O'Brien Outdoors and Andy O'Brien on Instagram.
Yeah.